Hi everyone, my name is Scott. Welcome to another unboxing review. Today we are looking over this Chess Air game. So I'm pretty excited to show you and have the opportunity to go over all the features and what it has. Of course, there's going to be some features we will leave out. Don't want to give away all the fun. Little carrying bags. Phone holder. Comes in a nice little box. Little manual. Power cable. All the chess pieces. Right here we can see the chessboard. We have our power and settings over here and charging cable over here. Press and hold to power it on. It might be out of battery. Oh, there we go. So you just press and hold until it lights up. Of course, it's Bluetooth. So once it blinks, it wants the pair. These are the chess pieces, which are very nice. Nice gliding tabletop. As you can see, they slide very nice. They have felt on the bottom to prevent scratching. Overall, make sure you follow the manual. You can get the app. For security and personal reasons, we don't show the app. You guys can get the app, go through there and go through the settings. But it is a very nice chess board game. You can learn the settings through the manual. Overall, very nice.